What's up, guys? Eek with East Coast Ken. Sorry about the background noise. We are at the shop. Alright, so Project Purple Miata is finally done. For those of you that have been following along the channel, this is the one that we brought in as a project for just some random guy. And it has been a pain. It was a full-on restoration. That rear quarter panel, it looked like somebody had ran into it with like an 18-wheeler. I mean, it was demolished. This front bumper, if you haven't seen my Text Talk and Shop video yet, I'll leave a link down in the description, but that bumper was a nightmare. Those fog lights still don't quite line up right, but they're not fog lights, guys. Those are his turn signals. So we got him in there the best we could, the way the bumper was shaped, without cutting the bumper any, because he didn't want us to cut it. So we did what we could. But that right there, guys, is Project Purple Miata, completely finished. I'll try to put a picture inside the video somehow. I don't know if I'm that YouTube fancy yet or not, but of what it looked like when we first got it. So that's it, guys. Again, I'm Eek with East Coast Ken. This is just one of those random short videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Keep on looking at the channel. Keep on sharing me out. Help me grow. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate every single one of y'all that are here. Let's talk to y'all later.